my first time in these old school trains.
I've been on a Revolution and...
I know, but they don't have these exact trains.
I did ride in these exact trains.
The Revolution is a different type. You rode New Revolution, right?
Yeah.
That has a different type of train.
I also went on Revolution in 2011.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back on the Scorpion. I guess Sand Serpent's gonna be another visit.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm leaning.
That was it. The first one did.
No, you can just gently feel it. You want to brace here because it's gonna do a hard stop.
Yeah.
Once the train has come to a complete stop and your lap bars have been released, please gather all personal belongings and exit to your left. We thank you for riding the Scorpion and hope that you'll enjoy the remainder of your stay here at Busch Gardens.